The first topic for today's discussion is interface of financial management with other functional areas. That means how financial management is related with other different areas of the business. So that is called as interface of management of financial management with other functional areas. Let us start the presentation. Financial management and production department. The financial management and the production department are interrelated. The production department of any firm is concerned with the production cycle, skilled and unskilled labors, storage of finished goods, capacity utilization, and the cost of production. Assumes a substantial portion of total cost. The production department has to take various decisions like replacing machinery, installation safety devices, and all these decisions have financial implications. So there is a relationship between production department and financial management. If production department wants to work properly, there are various things required for production cycle. You want to hire skilled laborers, unskilled laborers, their salary is there, storage of the finished goods are there, then capacity utilization, various things are there. If machinery is not working properly, you will buy a new machinery, replacing a machinery, installing the safety devices. For these all things, you require the help of finance and financial implications. So there is an interface, a relationship between financial management and a production department. Similarly, there is second relationship between financial management and material department. The financial management and the material department are also interrelated. They are related with each other. A material department covers the areas such as storage, maintenance, and supply of materials, and stores procurement. The finance manager and material manager in a firm may come together with determining economic order quantity, safety level, storing place, requirements, stores personnel requirement. The cost of all these aspects are to be evaluated. So the finance manager may come forward to help the material managers, right? So material managers or material department requires the help of the finance manager and financial management for the different aspect of material management things, such as when they need to store the materials, when they need to maintain it, when they need to supply the materials at the different places, the various things such as procurement. They want to determine the economic order quantity, safety level, storing place requirement, and various other costs related to material management. These all costs need to be evaluated by some of the expert field in the finance. So there is an interrelationship between financial management and material department. Both the department will work together to finding out to determine the requirement of the material department. Third kind of relationship between financial management and production department, a personal department. The personal department is entrusted with responsibilities of recruitment, training, and placement of the staff. This department is also concerned with the welfare of the employee and their family. This department works with finance manager to evaluate employees' welfare, revision of their pay scale, incentives, schemes, etc. So the personal department will be working on the various things like recruitment, training, placement of the staff, etc. For these all things like recruitment, training, and placement, it will cost for the company. So the personal management will take a help of the financial management and team, that they will help the personal management while the financial things required for the recruitment, training, placement, as well as for the welfare of the employees and their families. For the welfare of the employees and their families, if personal department is providing anything, so the finance department will help them to give their financial assistance to the employees and their family members, even workers of the company. And whenever the pay is revised, like incentives are given, bonus are given to the employees. Those all things personal department will determine and calculate with the help of the financial management team. Fourth is financial management and marketing department. There is an interrelationship between finance management and marketing department. The marketing department is concerned with the selling of goods and services to the customers. It is entrusted with framing, marketing, selling, advertising, and other related policies to achieve the sales target. So the marketing department, what they do is they will do marketing, selling, advertising, and other related things, policies they will follow so that the sales target has to reach. Now, to frame these all policies, in the they want to make up their brand name, so they want to increase their market share. For these all things, they require the help of finance. So the financial manager has to play a very active role for interacting with the marketing department. Like whenever they require money for advertising, whenever they require money for doing some sales promotion, etc. So the marketing department will directly take a help of the department finance management, and the team, they will take a active role they will play in while helping the marketing department. So there is an interrelationship between marketing management as well as the financial management.